welcome to my channel. I Can Sew, or welcome back to my channel. This is I am Kendra, and I'm doing 24 days of Vlogmas. So you guys wish me luck. Now I know the first thing you're thinking is what's going on here, right? Well, I'm on my way to the gym, but I wanted to make sure that I filmed this while I had a lot of energy, because I tend to lose a lot of energy at the gym. So anyways, I'm going to start my Vlogmas off by doing a pattern review. And throughout this month, I'm going to do a number of pattern reviews because I realize that I do sew a lot, but I don't review the pattern. So that would be helpful to you guys. And I did a poll on my page where I asked, would you rather tutorials or would you rather reviews? And people said reviews. So here is the first thing I'm going to review, which is 9275. It's by Simplicity. Now, you guys know how I feel about Simplicity. They do not tell you whether it's going to be easy, whether you're going to, be having to put in a lot of elbow grease or what's going on. But I will tell you this one was easy. So even though this is a knit top in 2 different lengths, and it actually has 3 different versions. And the fabric is cotton interlock, cotton linen blends, jersey, or ponce. It only has 12 pieces, so that's really great. And the 12 pieces are because you have the collar band here, cuffs, sleeves. It's a princess seam. I'm going to go through all of this, but it has a front, the side, the back, and then a pocket. And then this thing here is 2 different pieces, right? So that is why it has 12 pieces. And then if you decide not to put this bottom piece on and you want to just do view C, it's short sleeve with just a regular band to finish off this outfit. So that was really good. Now, what I like best about this is that it is very roomy. I wanted something that was roomy. I actually am going to make this again in maybe like a sweatshirt material because I really just thought it was really cute. Now, if you notice, the model looks happy and there's color on the front, right? This is from Simplicity's latest release, where they finally gone back to adding some imagination and some smiles to the pattern envelope. So I did view A, which is a quarter length sleeve, pockets, this kind of hanging part here, like apron part with pockets. It's also the one that the model was wearing. Now, what I should have paid attention to, and I'm getting a little better at this now, is that the sleeves are short sleeve, because a quarter length, 3/4 length, I didn't want that. So I actually went in and had to add in, you see here, I made a 2-piece sleeve, which I really like that detail. So it stops here, adds on, and then it also has the cuff. So, and I like that. Again, I think this is very easy. Even if I was to make it again, when I make it again, I'm going to do the same thing. So details on the review. I made a size 20, but the sleeves were so tight, I was like stuck like this. So I had to go back in and make a size 22 in the sleeves, which worked out great because it's a stretch material. I just stretched the armbands to fit how I wanted it to fit. So it worked out very well for me. I really like this pocket. I like this split. It gave me the room in the butt that I like. I know some of you guys are thinking this is boxy, but I want it boxy. I don't know if princess seams are supposed to be boxy, but I will tell you that it's boxy on her as well. So, I don't know. But I like it. I thought it was really cute. And yes, it's baggy in the back. But again, I have broad shoulders, so I kind of like a baggy look on my oversized shirt. I wanted an oversized shirt in red because I plan to wear it during the holiday season for my online calls. So I think I told you before, I'm starting to work with a new contract, and they prefer us to be on camera. So that is why I was like, let me make some clothes. This is great timing to make some shirts where I can be on camera and they're festive and I feel really comfortable. So I made this in this kind of polyester stretch outfit, and it's comfortable. I like it. So again, what I changed on this was I lengthened the sleeves. So just be mindful, if you don't want your sleeves to stop right here, 3/4 length, then do it. I really do not like 3/4 length. They make me feel like my clothes are shrunk, so I don't like that. But if you don't like that, be mindful of that. And then remember there's a pocket here, so that was really cute. And then make sure that you're checking the fit on it because the sleeves were kind of wonky on me or whatever. So I ended up having to unpick it. The good thing about it was that I did not serge it yet. But let me tell you something else. And I'm going to do this in another video because I need content. But I found these colorful, very, very colorful, multicolor. Let me say that. Multicolor serging thread. So look how cool that is. So on the inside of my fabric, it is all of these. It's all colorful. And it's really fun. Nobody's going to see it, but I like it. And I know I watch a lot of people who talk about the inside needs to look as good as the outside. I don't necessarily believe that, but I just thought that while I'm doing red, it would be really cute idea to do. So let me tell you, I do recommend that you sew up S9275. Just remember that to check the sleeves on this. If you don't like it boxy, go ahead and do your tailoring to bring this in. I did not. And just be mindful that you're going to look cute. You're going to look cute. And if you do it in red, you're going to look festive and comfortable all in one. So I want to thank you so much for checking out my first video for Vlogmas. Again, I have a couple more colors to do. I have something else in red. To do nothing in red? I do. I think I do. And I'll share that with you later. So have a great day. And thank you again for watching. Please comment below if you're participating in the 24 days of Vlogmas. Also, like and share this video so that many more people will be able to see Simplicity 9275. Thank you so much.